Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's episode is the continuation of our garage heater series. As you've seen in the past episodes, we have prepared our heater and making sure that all the mounts are in place, and at the same time we have pretty much installed our homemade braces and the pulley that we'll be using to pull this unit up all the way up there to be bolted. So anyways, guys, in today's episode we are going to work on getting this heater mounted and at least ready for it to be prepped up and have it be hooked up with its exhaust system and all the lines and the thermostat wiring in the whole 9 yards. So anyways, guys, stay tuned. Well, I just want to show you guys what I have here. Pretty much here what I did is I have this retractable ties that I normally use for my vehicle when I'm transporting something. I pretty much have two of them, and they're ratcheting, so they basically locked in place nicely there, guys. It's nice and secure. As you can see, that's not going to move anywhere. And at the same time, I have this rope here that we're going to be using. That'll be hooked up on the pulley up there. So yeah, I got my nut, my good old Boy Scout nut. I can't remember what this type of nut is, but technically that's gonna hold the heater there nicely. That's not gonna slip off on us. So anyways, we're almost good to go here. We'll be lifting the heater pretty soon here, and I'm doing this by myself. So anyways, guys, you know, don't do this at home, guys. Well, folks, we're ready to do this. Technically, I have connected the rope on the pulley here now. I attempted to do this by myself, but it didn't work. So I need actually a second hand. And guess what, guys? We're gonna go through here. I have it basically daisy chained over there. I have something to protect it basically there. And as I'm pulling it, my daughter Hannah will try to harness herself and pull away from the garage and secure that for me while I'm trying to pull this thing up and until I can actually secure it nicely. So we'll give it a shot. Well, folks, time to install our thermostat. Basically here, guys, I've already opened it up. It's just a clip that you have to pinch and then it'll come out. We'll be installing it up here. I'll be stripping the wire here shortly, and I'll be installing this in the process. The red one will be on this connection here, and the white one will be on this side. From the back of this unit, we will be connecting the thermostat wire from the red, which is marked R, and the white. This is basic for the analog connection. Our wire here, it's just basically showing a black and red. So I'll be using the red for red, and the black will be on the white in the process there. So I'll be installing it over there, and I'll show you in a bit. So folks, it's pretty much installed from the unit point of view here. If you are running a digital thermostat, you will need to put another wire over here. But since we're doing an analog, it's basically the white and the red is the connection we need in the process. So from here, we're pretty much done. Well, we're pretty much ready to get our gas piping set up here. Basically, I got one of this universal appliance hookup for gas here. It came with a flexible pipe and some of this adapters and a extra shut-off valve here. So the way we'll be working on this is that we will be using this item here, which is it's a T, and it's going to be at the back of our unit. And I'll be putting a drip pipe with a cap down here, and in turn we'll be using one of this adapter here to be able to adopt the one end of the flexible pipe in the process, like so. And then on our the source of our gas there, I'll be removing the pipe and the cap that was on there right now. That's basically capping the gas there for us, and we'll be using it for our drip cap here and clean out. And at the same time, we'll be using this in replacement after the shut-off valve that's already on the pipe. It looks similar to this one here. We'll be putting this in there, technically, right after the valve itself. It literally looks like this, technically. And right after that, we will be using one of this adapter again, to be the 3/8 adapter, into one of this fitting here to connect our flexible pipe. So that's how it's going to be, guys. Very straightforward. And we'll be using our little tape here that we have, and then we have an extra one here just in case we run out. So that's pretty much it, and we'll get it on. We'll make sure that the shut-off valve, the main shut-off valve, is off, guys, in the process of doing this. So anyways, in this case, we are going to just remove our drip cap here that we'll be using for that purpose. So our shut-off valve is pretty much off here as well. Well, it's pretty much done, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, guys, it's all hooked up from the gas point of view. Please don't forget to watch the next episode, which is the final episode of this series, to be able to finally install our exhaust system. I'm still waiting on the exhaust pipe. I'm currently working on hopefully trying to get some sponsorship to get the pipe there, because the pipe itself, the stainless steel pipe, is actually about the same price as the price of the unit, technically around $500-600. So yeah, anyways, that will be the final episode, and it will be basically the installation of our exhaust pipe going outside there. So yeah, until next time, guys, if you haven't done so, please hit the subscribe button and also ring that bell so you can get notified for all the videos that I have going forward. Thank you.